We are currently in Akron, New York, and it is 6:50 p.m. on a Thursday? Yeah, Thursday the 15th of January. This is what we're having right now. The roads suck. We've seen one plow and it was on the side of the road. Haven't seen a plow all day. It's so pretty though. If we slide at the stop sign. Oh! Nope. So if you're watching this and you're still watching this, why don't you comment where you are from? And then we can chat about the weather. How shitty is your weather? What a fucking retard. Oh, I got a truck so I can go faster. You know, we had an idiot earlier that was passing us in like a 40 a mile an hour zone, and the guy was going like 60 and he passed us and then went swerving. I was hoping he went into the ditch. People like that don't need to drive.